Hello students, in this class we are going to do few bits from the chapter coordination compounds or complex compounds. Okay, so let us start with students. Question number 1. The oxidation state of Fe or iron in a brown ring complex FeH2O 5NoSO4 is. Okay, so this is a brown ring complex in which Fe is the central metal atom. Okay, so what is the oxidation state of iron in this complex? Okay, students, so both H2O and NO are the neutral ligands. Okay, so how do you calculate the oxidation state of iron? X plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 1 is equal to plus 2. Why? Because it is SO4, so it has minus 2 charge on it. That means the complex ion will have plus 2 charge on it. Okay, students. So FeH2O 5 times NO plus 2 is the complex ion. So to get the oxidation state of iron, we calculate like this. X plus 0 into 5. H2O is a neutral ligand, but 5 are there. Hence 0 into 5 plus NO is also a neutral ligand named as nitrosyl plus 0 is equal to plus 2. So X is equal to plus 2. Okay. So the options given here are A plus 1, B plus 2, C plus 3 and D plus 4. So what is the answer, students? Option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 2. Which of the following acts as a positive ligand? Options: acetate, B aquo, C carbonyl and D nitrosonium. These are the 4 options you have, and among which one acts as a positive ligand? 4 options: acetate, aquo, carbonyl and nitrosonium. So, among which nitrosonium acts as a positive ligand. Okay, so it is NO+. What is the correct answer, students? Option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 3. The oxidation state of iron in K4FeCN6 is. What is the oxidation state of Fe in K4FeCN6? What is the complex ion here, students? FeCN6 minus 4. Why? Because outside there are 4 monovalent cations, that is K plus 1. So, there is plus 1 charge on K and there are 4 monovalent cations, and hence the complex ion is FeCN6 minus 4. So how will you calculate the oxidation state for this? X plus Cn is unidentate ligand. Okay, so minus 1 into how many are there? 6. So X plus minus 1 into 6 is equal to the charge on the complex ion is minus 4. So X minus 6 will be equal to minus 4. Therefore, X will be equal to 6 minus 4. It is equal to plus 2. Okay, students? So what is the oxidation state of iron? The options given here are A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. So the oxidation state is 2 plus 2, that is B is the correct answer. Next, question number 4. The coordination number and oxidation state of Cr in the complex K3CrC2O4 thrice is. Okay, the coordination here you should calculate both coordination number and oxidation state. So what is the central metal? Cr. What is the ligand? C2O4. Oxalate. So it is a bidentate ligand. Total how many are there? 3. That means it is surrounded by 6 ligands. So coordination number of Cr is 6. Okay, then how do you calculate oxidation state of Cr? So there are 3 monovalent cations outside the brackets. So what will be the complex ion, students? Cr, C2O4 taken thrice minus 3. Okay, so now calculate the oxidation state of Cr. X plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 3. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 6 minus 3. So it is 3. So what is your answer, students? Reading out the options for you. A, 3 and 0. B, 3 and plus 3. C, C, 6 and plus 3. D, 4 and plus 2. Okay, so coordination number of Cr is 6 and oxidation state of Cr is plus 3. So option C is the correct answer, that is 6 and plus 3. Okay, students. Next question number 5. Oxidation number of cobalt in CONH3 6 times plus 3 is dash. Oxidation number of cobalt in the complex ion CONH3 6 plus 3 is. NH3 is a neutral ligand. Okay. So x plus 0 into 6 is equal to plus 3. X plus 0 is equal to plus 3. So x is equal to plus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number of cobalt in this complex ion, that is CONH3 6 plus 3, is plus 3. Following, students, is it easy for you? Okay. Moving on to the next question. EDTA is dash ligand. EDTA is dash ligand. Options: A, monodentate, B, hexadentate, C, bidentate, and D, tridentate. What is the correct answer? Monodentate, hexadentate, bidentate, and tridentate. It is a hexadentate ligand because it has 6 donor atoms. EDTA is a hexadentate ligand. Option B is the correct answer, students. Question number 7. Cl minus is a dash dentate ligand. Cl minus is a dash dentate ligand. What is the answer? It is monodentate ligand or unidentate ligand. The answer you are supposed to write here is monodentate or unidentate ligand. Question number 8. The dash sphere is enclosed in brackets. Carefully follow the question, students. The dash sphere is enclosed in brackets in formulae for complex ions, and it includes the central metal ion along with the ligands. So, this particular portion is mentioned inside the square brackets, and inside the brackets there will be central metal ion or central metal atom along with the ligands. What is that sphere called as? Do you remember, students? It is called as... Okay, reading out the options for you. A, donor, B, ligand, C, oxidation, D, coordination. What is the answer? It is coordination sphere. Very good. So option D is the correct answer. So coordination sphere is enclosed in brackets where we find central metal along with the ligands. Okay, students. Next, question number 9. In CONH3 6 Cl3, dash Cl minus ions are ionizable. In the complex CONH3 6 Cl3, dash Cl minus ions are ionizable. How many Cl minus ions will be ionized? 3 Cl minus ions will be ionized. So your answer is 3. Next, question number 10. NO plus is named as. What is NO plus called as? It is a positive ligand and it is named as nitrosonium ion. Okay, students, NO plus is called as nitrosonium ion. Okay, so hoping all these bits will help you very much for your entrance exams. So prepare well, go through all these blanks. Okay, learn well practice well, especially students. Before this class, we have learned how to determine oxidation state, and an introduction class also I have done. Please go through those videos. Then it will be very easy to answer all these blanks. Okay. Thank you.